Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Each week, the stadium is transforming right before our eyes. And today, we'll focus on the main areas where the most visible progress is happening. The work is moving at an incredible pace, and every update brings us closer to the future design. If you'd like to stay updated on all the latest progress at Camp Nou, make sure to subscribe to our channel as we continue sharing every stage of this construction. We begin with the parking area. The Infinite Diamond is now fully concreted, and most of the formwork panels have been removed. Reinforcement is in place across several levels, and the central beams are being shaped with new layers of steel. On the upper floors, workers are preparing the final slabs with reinforcement and beams, showing that another concreting phase is just around the corner. At the south goal corner, activity is moving quickly. 2 concrete pumps are in operation, pouring into different structures, including the parking ramp. Prefabricated wall panels are also being delivered and installed, further shaping this section of the stadium. Moving to the lateral side, constant work is visible. Teams are cutting and fitting formwork panels, constructing staircases, and raising structural cores. Cranes are lifting prefabricated stairs into place, while reinforcement is being added across multiple floors, keeping this side of the stadium in steady motion. In the northern section, several concrete pumps are active at the same time. Workers are placing mesh in preparation for hollow core slabs, while in the VIP ring, large super pillars are advancing with new formwork and reinforcement. This gives us a clear idea of how quickly the structure is rising. The construction at Camp Nou is moving forward at an incredible pace week after week. With every update, the future design becomes clearer, and we're getting closer to seeing the stadium take its new shape. From the parking areas to the grandstands and VIP sections, every part of the stadium is rising step by step, showing just how fast this transformation is happening. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay connected with us to keep getting the latest updates on the Camp Nou construction.